It changes as the time of the day goes. And this brief basically pulls in like weather information and also news stories. Right now it's pulling one from USA Today saying winter brings the biggest risk to home fires. Not good. But you can add to that into the settings there. You can look at content to include, and you can select and unselect the content you want, like your health and wellness or things from like more in-depth natures in the settings here, in modes and routines. Look at things like sleep, driving, exercise, relaxation. Doesn't matter. Also, what you can do is basically hit your power button and give it a prompt and ask it to do something. And here's one that I do like. Real Madrid display today. A couple of things in here is that you hit video, and when you start recording, it's got this nice slider. It's a smooth side slider, which you can access, giving you a much smoother zoom so you can do things a little bit more cinematic. And then if you go into Pro Video, you can shoot in log, which is really nice. And Hayato approves because now he's gonna make me shoot everything in log. But the cool thing is you can add that feature to shoot in log, not just in the Pro Video, but also in the regular video as well. You can also increase into the S Pen. Why? Samsung says, according to them, less than 1% of people actually use that feature on the S Pen, so they took it off. You can use air commands directly on the device, but that is gone. You have to use your palm, say cheese, use your Galaxy Watch or your Galaxy